doing good.
Here, you put your hand. I'll do.
What do you want me to do?
You talk and I'll use your hands. Go.
You guys, look at that.
Oh guys.
Hope you guys are doing good. Guys, stop that. So in today's video, as you can read from the title, we're gonna be, doing the kissing tutorial, you guys. So we had somebody that actually, DM us that, why didn't you guys do that? So today, that's what today's video is all about. As you can see, we are, sitting right here, right, babe?
Mm-hmm. About to kiss. Just to give the secret away, we're about to kiss. Go ahead.
The secret away. Alright guys, so that's what today's video is about. We're super excited to come your way again as always. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on your post notification so you're not gonna miss out on any of our fun videos that we put out there. If you've already been with us from the get-go, we just want to say a big thank you to you all guys. You guys are just awesome and we appreciate you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You out there, you know who you are. Thank you.
Let's get started. Right, babe?
Yep.
Okay guys, we are back.
We're back in full effect. Ready to take you to the next level with our kissing tutorial. I'm not trying to rhyme, I'm just trying to give you the start of this video. So, I'm gonna start us off, alright? And I'm gonna get this kissing tutorial underway.
Mm-hmm.
And I know we said that these videos are free, but I really giving my secrets away. I want to charge you for this video. So put your credit card information. Anyway, I can't believe it, but I'm giving away my secrets today.
Yeah.
And we're going to talk about setting the mood, doing the right timing, type of kiss, scenario for the right type of kiss, and the do's and don'ts. All right. Yeah. So what you need is a pad of paper and a pencil. And be writing this down as we go. Alright?
Yeah. Alright, so that's what we're gonna do today, guys. Greg is gonna say his side of story. I mean, like, he's gonna stand for all men. Talk for all men. I don't know if that makes sense. And I'm gonna be talking, for the ladies. So yeah, that's how it's gonna go today. So, babe, do you wanna start?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. So,
you guys look all great.
I've seen this on other videos as listen. In order for kisses to work, you gotta obviously have somebody you're interested in, they're interested in you back. Yeah. Right? It's gotta be consensual. Yeah. Otherwise it's a waste of time. Yeah. Okay. So we're not telling you to go grab the first girl you see and try to kiss her.
No.
Alright. So we'll make that important there. Alright. What we got for you is a couple of props that are gonna get you off to the right start. We forgot the toothbrush, but that's probably first and foremost, alright? Take care of your breath. Keep that stank smell under control. Alright? This is not expensive, but very, very, very crucial. Okay? All different varieties. There's about 50 of them in a row at the grocery store. Get yourself one of these. Okay? If you're in a bind or just finished a meal, get yourself a pack of this. A pack of these will protect you. Get yourself a pack and they'll keep you from getting slapped in the face for onion breath or I don't know. Just go out, a pack of these up. Yeah. It's gum, by the way. Yeah. And I don't like this, but I can see where everyone uses this a lot and it doesn't bother me, but it's chapstick. Okay, I just don't wear it. It's good
because actually, it keeps your mouth moist. When you're about to kiss, you have to make sure that. Oh my gosh, you guys are sorry. That's close. Am I close to? So you have to make sure your lips are very moist.
Use your discretion. Chapstick.
Chapstick, right? Yeah.
Now let's get into it. Okay. So. You gotta pick obviously the right mood, okay? And it's gotta be the right setting, okay? Okay. And there's all kinds of different ways that you can go about this.
Okay. So if you meet either way.
That's the husband and wife. There's no doubts. There's no. That's the husband and wife kiss where. I don't know. If I'm talking too much, she'll lean in and I'll stop talking and then she can take over.
Alright, so assuming you meet a girl for the first time. Yeah. I mean, what? And then how you gonna know that the lady is how you gonna know she wanna kiss you? Is that something she's gonna do? that you're gonna know that I can kiss this lady, or she's really ready for me?
Well, you're the only girl I've ever kissed, so. Yeah, Evelyn's right. Okay, you got to read the signs. You have to read the signs. Okay, and what I'd recommend is to throw little teasers to just see where you stand. All right, if you touch her shoulder and she shrugs you off, it's time for you to go home for the night. All right? If you're on a first date and you're really nervous, before you just shakingly go in, just try to like stare at her eyes. Try to get some feedback. Try to say, hey, what do you think about? Just try to ask some questions to get some stuff going back to you.
Yeah.
Making your first kiss, all right? You've been nervous, all right? The fun thing is, if you're both into it, I think it's hilarious because you could say anything you want, and you're not really focused on that.
Yeah.
I could go in, I could be like, hey, the house is on fire. Hey, someone's breaking into your car. There's a tornado outside. We've all been there. The warm and fuzzy feeling. But it's funny, you look at somebody's eyes, you can tell right away. Hey, it's time. Hey, it's not time.
Yeah.
Everybody's walked up to their girlfriend's door, or the door of the first date, give them a kiss right in front of the door. I've seen it in movies, I've seen it everywhere, but you gotta make the first nudge. I don't know about the whole percentile, I hope it's like 50-50, but you go in, if she goes in, then you're golden. You're golden.
Yeah,
right? So that's kind of that's my impression of the first date or first kiss. What do you think?
Okay, I'm gonna be talking from, I don't know, maybe my side, or talking for ladies. Guys out there, before you try to, if you meet a lady for the first time, like Greg said, you have to make sure that she's really into it before you try to do anything. You should read the signs, okay? She's drawing back and stuff like that, and she's not ready. But if she's ready, you can see that the eyes is gonna light up like that. She's gonna behave something like this, meaning that she's ready.
The hands are huge. All right, if you don't know where you stand, bump into them.
Yeah.
Like when you're a kid, you punch a girl that you liked when you're a little kid. Well, when you're a grown adult, use your hands. All right. If I'm sitting there talking to Evelyn, and I say, "Did you have a good time?" I say, "Are you feeling all right?" And all of a sudden, she reaches her hand down here. Now you're drawing in.
Yep.
Now. All right. So use your hands, but use them the right way. Okay. Yep. She can also use her hands. Just slap you.
Oh my God.
Back slap you. Or
guys,
punch you. So don't be an asshole. All right. All right.
Okay, you guys. So let's say you meet somebody for the first time, okay, and then you are a bit shy and a bit nervous, that you be shaking and all that. Has that happened to you like that? I mean,
hell yeah. I like to say no, never, but yeah, almost every first kiss.
Yeah, you're a bit shy and all that, but if you as a lady, if you're nervous and always maybe the guy is also nervous as well, so it doesn't mean anything. It just means that that's the first the first time. So all you have to do is just to see how the reaction is going.
So let me ask you this, on your perspective, have you had a bad kiss?
You're the only person I've kissed. Like you said.
I'll answer that. There's such thing as a bad kiss, okay? I mean, it'd have to be pretty goofy to have a horrible kiss on the first date.
Oh my gosh.
Sorry. No, cut that, edit that. But you'd have to. I think personally, I think you'd really have to screw up in order to make a bad first kiss. But that's just my opinion. I don't know.
Yeah,
Let's hear it from a female.
Yeah, I think that if you're a guy and then you want to kiss a lady, you know, it has to be, you have to take it slow. It has to start like slowly, okay? Not like you just jump on her and then you you don't do it like that, you guys. You need to take it slowly, and you have to make sure that, you know, everything, you know, her actions is showing that she actually wants you. You know, she actually want to kiss you and stuff like that, like we said earlier on. Make sure your breath is good, you're a guy, and make sure you're smelling good. Most women want guys that, you know, smell, you know, that smell alone, the cologne or the what? Yeah, the cologne. If for me, if I like Greg smells very awesome. I'm just saying, you know. So that alone can actually draw the lady closer to you. But if you're not wearing any cologne, if you're not smelling good, guys, if you're a lady, just comment down below if what I'm saying is wrong. Don't come for me though, but this is mine opinion.
This is good to know. I'm gonna write some of this down.
This is my side. Okay, so if you don't agree with me, it doesn't mean you're coming for me.
Alright. Yeah.
Make sure you smell good, both the guy and then the lady. Make sure everything is, you know, that actually draws that person to you. But if the person doesn't smell good, not just the breath, the whole body everything should smell good.
Good.
Then you're gonna, you know, have so that's a great tip for you. You guys out there.
Now, we've gotten past the first kiss, okay?
Yeah.
And let's just let's take it by the book, okay?
Okay.
Right now, we'll talk about the next step, obviously, okay? And I'll describe the gentleman's code, if that still exists. All right. Date 1, make your first kiss, right? Good night kiss. Okay. Remember, I'll see you. Maybe. Hopefully. Yeah. Okay. Now we go to date 2. What happens on date 2? I don't know. Just hang out, right?
Yeah.
Date 3. Now we're talking about the bounce chicka bounce bounce. All right. Now let's talk about the date 3 kiss. All right.
All right.
Hopefully it's like when you walk through the door. Okay. Hopefully you walk through the door. Both of you already have talked enough to know what's going on. Okay. Date 3. Maybe you've had a makeout session before date 3. Okay. Maybe you know some cues or you know some tricks. All right.
Yeah.
With Evelyn, if I give her a little kiss on the neck, that's about all it takes. Watch this again. Just watch in slow motion. Put it in slow motion. There. It's in your head.
It tickles.
Alright. Well,
it tickles.
off camera, that's it. Okay, the neck. And honestly, it's kind of the same for me too. Alright? If she gives me a kiss on the neck, something. Alright, but the kiss, about the kiss. Well, that counts as a kiss. Kiss the necks, okay? Nibble on the ears, alright? Still, you know, not talking about the kiss, but leading up to it, okay? So the neck, and I even forgot, we haven't, you know, talked about the ears, but again, I don't know why, you know, my ears, I'll melt like a dog shit. Like if you pet the dog and his leg starts kicking. Anyway, here we are. Okay. Now the bounce chicka bounce up. So now you're there, right? You've already, you know, and the neck is one way, okay, but that's kind of again to see if you're where you stand. By now you know where you stand. Say, how was your day?
Good.
Yeah. Did you miss me? Yeah.
Is it the second day?
This is when we're going straight to the bedroom. Alright. Now, see, that's obviously more aggressive, okay? And my personal technique is to bounce back and forth between the top lip and the bottom lip, okay? Just, again, just teasers, you know. I'm not gonna say the word, but pre-kissing. And mix it up, okay? Have your own style.
Yeah.
Know the right moment. Know the right setting. Is it date 1, date 2, or date 3?
Yep.
What do you think? Huh?
I think whatever you said is true. I think you said it all, you know?
Yeah. lastly is know your situation, okay? Don't be a jerk. Know when to be a gentleman, and then know when to turn it up a notch.
Alright guys.
Alright.
Yes. So great, I think both of us said it all. So I think that's it of the kissing tutorial, you guys. Right, babe?
Yeah.
We have something to add up?
No. Like I said, you should have to pay for this one. But you don't, so be happy about it.
Be happy.
On the camera there's all kinds of stuff going on, but I don't know what you see on your screen, and after we get done I really don't go back and see where the stuff's at.
No.
But like I said, if you've been following our videos, just pay attention to what I'm saying. Click that. Click it. If it's right there this time, click it. You'll be the first to know if you hit the post notification bell.
Yeah, you guys.
Subscribe. Kiss me on the ear again. Thought it through. Seriously, all you gotta do is give us feedback, give us comments, give us ideas, you know.
Okay, like comment down below how your first kiss was, you know, and stuff like that.
Yeah,
right,
that'd be fun.
Make sure to comment down below. We love to hear from you guys as always. So yes, we're gonna see you on our next video. Until then, bye bye. We love you.
Bye bye.
Oh, stop. Bye guys.
One more. Bye.
See you guys.